Today we're going to be looking at this Kenmore dishwasher in my kitchen, and we're going to be changing out the dishwasher chopper assembly. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. We got a lot of great videos coming up ahead. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get the model number of the dishwasher. Go online, just type it in, and you're going to go to the Sears part direct, and you're going to look at the chopper, and you're going to see that there's pretty much no longer a part available. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the part number, just put it right into Amazon, and they have it there for about $9. You get it in the mail, and it's, perfect. It looks exactly like the one that will be coming out of your dishwasher in a few minutes. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off these little clips to take off the upper dishwashing rack from the dishwasher, just so we could get our head in there and get in there a little bit easier. And it just comes off like that. Pop it off with your fingers, and you can pretty much roll out the drawers from the dishwasher. So now you're going to look down, and you're going to see that there's some bolts you're going to have to take off, but in order to get to that, you're going to need to take off some of this tubing that supplies water up to the top spinner. So once you do that, you could pretty much spin this whole assembly out of the way, and it will pop right up and out. So you can see I'm having a little trouble holding the camera and doing this at the same time, but once you get it, it pops right out like that. And now you have access to the 4 bolts, which holds on that little assembly. So you can use a Torx T20 screwdriver in order to take off these 4 bolts, and once they are completely taken off, the whole assembly will just pop right out. And this is where the chopper lies. It lies underneath that little cover that I got my hand on. There's a few bolts that you need to take out, and then you could take out this chopper assembly. You can see that there's some food and kind of gross stuff all in there, but if you take a look, you'll see that the whole chopper is broken. You see that little chopper piece is completely off of that little metal strainer, and there's a bunch of broken plastic and just foodstuffs in there that couldn't get chopped up and was causing problems with this dishwasher. Now, just cleaning up the area a little bit, and you'll see that once it's clean, we can take a look, and there's a few little tabs that this little chopper thing will sit into, and you can see here's just a demonstration that it will slide into this cover with ease once it's completely installed, and you can see it slides in to that little groove there, and that's what you're going to be looking for when you line this thing up ultimately. So what you'll do is you will put the little chopper assembly in place, and you will line the spline up with the gear in the pump motor. Then you will slide the assembly cover over top, and you'll know when it seats correctly because it won't rock and it won't seem like it's popped up in any way, shape, or form. And once that's done, you could tighten it right back down, and you'll pretty much be able to assemble this dishwasher again. It should be working for you. Now, as you can see, doing the exact same thing I did when I started. I'm putting back this cover plate, tightening down the 4 little screws, and I'm going to put back on the dishwasher sprayer assembly. Now you just place it down on an angle, and it pretty much slides into place once you get it correct. And you slide it up, and that's it. And obviously you're putting that little piece on, and after this you could pretty much put back on your drawers. Make sure you line up the top drawer correctly. It might be a little difficult with dishes on it, but I managed to do it. And also put back on your clips so your top drawer doesn't fall out on you. And that is pretty much it. Once you put on the bottom drawer, you're ready to close up the dishwasher and get it back on the cycle and see if everything worked. It worked well for me, and I hope it works well for you. And that is all today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please like the video, please comment if you have any comments, and please subscribe if you want to see more content like this in the future. Thank you.